And I'm Jeffrey Ide, here to bring you the news. Coming up.
Stay tuned!
Victim attacked with chain defends himself with chainsaw. That's it, man. In West Easton, PA.
Pennsylvania! Easton, PA?
Yeah. An Easton man is facing charges following a gladiator-like confrontation.
That's more gladiator. It's like Mad Max in the Thunderdome. Whoosh, whoosh.
Swinging a chain.
Wow.
But yes, this gladiator-like confrontation with a chainsaw and a chain outside a Northampton County home last month. A Pennsylvania State Police trooper responded to 9th and Low Street shortly after 5:30 p.m. to investigate an assault report.
There's an assault going on? I hear a chainsaw.
I heard chainsaw.
And a chain with
Is
it.
that guy swinging a chain?
What's going on over there?
The victim told police that he just returned to his North 9th Street home and was unloading work equipment
He had a chainsaw.
when a car approached. According to the court records, Jacob Killey, a former employee.
guy.
He used to work for him. He wanted to kill the boss.
You didn't pay me my last paycheck. I'm coming for you.
If you've ever wanted to kill your boss, tell us why in the comments.
Please.
An acquaintance of the victim stepped out of the car and reached out to shake his hand.
Put her there, buddy.
Nice to see you. But
I just want to shake your hand.
once he grabbed the victim's hand, Killey refused to let go. I'm not letting go of your hand. And allegedly made several threatening comments.
I'm going to hit you with a chain.
What comments would you leave for your boss? Leave them below. We're going to get people fired. If they really leave the comments.
And let us know where you worked.
At least think about it, laugh about it. You know? But once he grabbed the victim's hand, he refused to let go and allegedly made threatening
You
comments.
let go. No, you let go.
Once he finally let go, Killey retreated to his car, retrieved a long steel chain, and chased the victim around the street.
Get away from me.
Stop swinging that chain at me!
You're going to hurt somebody.
He allegedly swung the chain several times at the victim, who started up a chainsaw to keep Killey at bay. He was gonna kill Killey.
He's going to kill Killey, yo. B?
Kill Killey, B. He struck the chain, breaking it. Wow!
With the
with the chainsaw.
Yeah.
Chainsaw through the chain. Killey retreated again to his car and drove away. He's like, get down.
It's got a chainsaw. I just chewed through my chain.
State police filed single misdemeanor counts of terroristic threats and simple assault. That doesn't sound so simple.
No.
Against Killey.
Kill B.
So he had a $20,000 bond. Yeah, he didn't bond out. Nobody paid for his 10% down, 10% cash option.
$2,000. I got $2,000. You didn't get paid, man.
Wait, hold on a second. As condition of bail. Maybe he did I don't know. No, he failed to post bail. But it says as a condition of bail, he must undergo drug and alcohol screenings.
I hope so.
That's it.
Swinging chains at people.
Wow. Sawed that chain in half, man.
So, let it be a lesson to you. Make sure you pay your employees.
Stupid bosses.
Dog found behind wheel after high-speed chase in Washington State.
You know how fast you were going? Panting. You probably arrested him. Dog went straight to the pound.
A very sweet pit bull was reportedly in the driver's
Oh,
seat
Pitbull.
after the car crashed. Her owner faces multiple charges.
Her. So it was a girl?
Yeah.
Wow.
Is there like a video?
There was a pit bull,
I
so
think there might be a video. Let's see here. No video. A Washington State man who led police on a high-speed chase on Sunday may have not actually been driving.
it was a dude.
Officers said they found the suspect's pet pit bull behind the wheel after his 1986 Buick crashed.
Now, how do you do that? And how do you take the police on a chase?
Put the dog over there.
Put the
He was
cruise,
driving.
set the cruise.
Yeah, he was driving.
It's him, officer.
The unidentified 51-year-old male suspect from Lakewood, Washington, is now facing several charges, including DUI, reckless driving, hit and run, and felony eluding authorities said. The man allegedly struck two vehicles before he fled on Interstate 5. One trooper reported seeing the pit bull in the driver's seat, with the owner handling the steering wheel from the passenger seat.
That's what dog was driving.
He was
He had that cruise control set. Driving like Pee Wee Herman.
Car reportedly hit speeds of 109 miles an hour during
Wow!
the chase,
They're flying.
and at one point drove on a popular trail for pedestrians and cyclists. It was fortunately empty. Well,
Yeah.
I hope so.
No dogs walking on that trail. Just driving on it.
State troopers
crazy.
eventually ended their pursuit by throwing down spike strips, but then came the shocker. A Washington State Patrol officer, Heather Axtman, said the driver told police he was trying to teach his dog how to drive. You know how hard it is to teach a dog how to
It's
drive?
not easy.
He's doing 109.
Yeah. First it was sit, then it was shake.
Now it's drive.
Now it's drive. It's a peaceful dog, so it must not attack the officers or anything.
Axtman added,
That dog was loving
I
life.
wish I could make this up. I've been a trooper for almost 12 years, and wow, I've never heard of this excuse. I've been in a lot of high-speed chases, I've stopped a lot of cars, and never have I gotten an excuse that they were teaching their dog how to drive.
I'm not as think as you drunk I am. It was the dog driving.
Jesus.
If you're gonna arrest somebody, arrest him.
Yeah, put him in a dog pound. The officer said the pit bull, whom she described as a very sweet girl, was taken to a local animal shelter.
Just a good dog.
Her owner was released on $8,500 bond.
Yeah. Look, if you had
Oh, there's a picture of the car being towed away. It was like a Buick.
Hey, well, I mean, you know, you'd be a good dog too if you was a dog and your owner let you drive and
Yeah,
stuff.
that'd be awesome.
All the bitches be looking at
Yeah.
you. All the bitches be looking at you, and I mean, female dogs.
Well, no, it was a female dog.
Oh,
All the studs would be looking at you.
yeah, something like
Man,
that.
check her out. I'm gonna sniff her butt.
Can't wait.
Hey, if you'd like to let your dog drive, give us a like.
4 police arrest man, 41, for suspected underwear theft. Finds 2,500 pieces of underwear in his possession. That's a lot of underwear.
First step, steal underpants. Second step, refer back to first step. Underpants.
Captain Underpants! Tra-la-la!
Tra-la-la.
So a 41-year-old man has been arrested for suspected underwear theft, which led to a haul of several thousand pieces
Jeez.
of underwear found in his possession.
Was he like stealing it from stores or?
Well, it says on March 15th, about
People's
3:30,
homes. That's even more
a
creepy.
woman reported that the underwear she had left outside her home.
On a clothesline.
That's what I'm
To dry
guessing,
or
because
something.
where else? Why would you leave it out anywhere else?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I got underwear! Woman's underwear. Oh. Left outside. Yeah, so she called the police. Authorities identified the man through ground inquiries and aids of images from
Probably.
police camp.
Yeah.
All right. So,
What a creepy dude, man.
yeah, investigation
And it's
revealed that
probably
the
only
man
women's underwear.
is believed to be involved in similar cases reported
Thousands of
10
birds,
times.
man.
Said police. The picture, dude, that's the picture. Dude, that's nothing but women's
Jesus.
women's
yeah.
underwear.
And bras.
Which I guess would be considered underwear because you're wearing under your
Yeah, yeah.
clothes. But yeah, that's
What a thief.
more than 2,500 pieces
Wow.
of women's
What is he
underwear
gonna
were
do with
found
it?
in his possession.
He's just
The
thinking
man-
that most women are going to go commando or something? If I steal all their underwear, they'll go commando.
They won't have any underwear to wear. I'll be the underwear king.
Conspiracy. Wow.
They'll all have to kneel to me for underwear.
Bow before me if you want your underwear back.
If found guilty, he faces up to 3 years of jail.
Good. Hopefully
Jail
longer.
and a fine, or both.
Both, I hope.
That was that. What a weirdo.
If you know any underwear thieves, report them to the police.
And subscribe!
And give us a like.
And we'll see you on the next Weird World News!
Coincidence? I think not. Crazy. Crazy.